Hey guys, so I just received a call from one of my friends. He's just told me that there will be a race happening tonight. So I'm going to jump in my S2000, I'm going to quickly shoot off and meet him at the location. So the first car has just turned up. This must be the FN2 owner. Hey bro, how's it going, man?
Yeah, I'm good, man. Good.
Yeah, can you tell me what's your setup underneath there?
So I'm running like twin turbo, so it's got 4 turbos in it, GT77, pushing about 77 bars and about 100 nitros there.
Oh nice, so what, 4 turbos did you say, yeah?
4 turbos, man. It's all fit in all corners, isn't it?
No way, so what, one vent for each turbo?
Yeah, 1 vent for each turbo.
Oh no way, can we have a look at your setup?
So, no man, sorry, it's a secret project, innit? Sleeper project.
Oh okay, what sort of power are you pushing out?
I'm pushing about 2,000 over 2,000 brake horsepower, but I'm not sure, innit?
2,000 brake
every
horsepower?
dyno I went to, I broke their dyno, innit?
Oh right, okay, so yeah, over 2,000 brake horsepower. What sort of tires you must be running?
This is made in China. It's called the Ling Ling tires. It's got like copy of ADORs.
Good luck for the race then.
Oh man, thanks man.
Yeah guys, I don't think this owner knows what he's on about, but let's check out the other car. Can you tell me what's your setup underneath there?
Yeah, so it's got a forged K28 engine with like skunk 2 cams and air intake. So
nice.
about 270 brake.
270 horsepower from a K28, so no turbos, nothing like this?
No, all NA.
Okay, and how do you think you're going to compare against the FN2? It doesn't seem like he knows his stuff. I don't know if you've had a chat with him.
No, not yet. We'll see.
No, not yet. Alright, okay, so yeah, you're confident you'll thrash him, yeah?
Yeah, I'm sure we will.
Alright, awesome. Good luck for the race, man.
Cheers.
So it looks like you lost to the JDM EP3.
No man, that was a bullshit, innit? He was like, you know, revving higher than I did. I told him like that much, yeah. Did you not see him? Like he got beep, beep, beep. Who does that, man? Bullshit.
But I think he won fair and square. It's quite clear in the
Nah
video.
man, you're because you like EP3, yeah? Because he's got JDM, yeah? No, bullshit man, you're bullshit.
No. I mean, I'm not biased at all. I think all cars are equal. I mean, it just depends on the driver, no?
That was an unfair match, yeah? And he ain't getting no shit today.
Alright, okay. It looks like we're going to have to do a rematch then. Yeah, it looks like we'll organise this some other time.
Then no, not all the times, man. My car will beat him his ass anytime.
Alright, okay bro. You have a good night, yeah?
Oh, what about, man?